Okay guys, we have another 2018 Infiniti Q50 and this one has only 76,000 miles. Now I was going to bid on this one because it looked really good, it looks really clean. The mileage is pretty good. The damage, as you see, just the rear quarter panel, that's the only damage. And this vehicle was stolen. That they got in through the roof and they stole it and they damaged it and they got thrown in the auction. But the thing is that's throwing me off is they didn't turn it on at the auction. There's no video of the engine. Usually they have videos. And when I ran the Carfax, they did a vehicle service on it just before I went to the auction, and they noted that it was a no start / hard start condition check. So they couldn't start the car at the service location. Now I'm not sure what's wrong with it that they couldn't start the car, but everything else looked good. It was stolen February 22nd. Yeah, February 22, and it was recovered February 28th. So it was stolen for only 6 days. But during those 6 days, they got the car back. They went to service it, see what's wrong, and the service location noted that it was a no start / hard start condition check. That means they couldn't start the car, and then it went to auction. So it was only stolen for 6 days. They got in through the top. That's why the glass on the top is broken. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. It's all shattered. They break that top and they go in, they program a key, and they drive away right away. But I was really gonna go for this one, but after I seen this, no start, maybe the engine is seized or the engine is blown. In that 6 days they managed to blow the engine when they stole it. You never know, you really don't know. Or it could be a simple thing, it could be like an electrical wire or the fuel pump went out. But yeah, the damage, just this, and then the side roof, and it's going really cheap right now. It's at 2,200. It's coming up in 30 minutes, but I don't think I'm gonna go for it after seeing the Carfax. Maybe that's why it's going cheap, because they know what's going on with it. Yeah, I'm not gonna go for this one.